we are discussing type 10. So type 10 is what? Integration of root over a tan square x plus b into dx. And here is what? Integration of root over a tan square x plus b secant square x plus c into dx. And third is what? Integration of root over a secant square x plus b into dx. Okay, so how to do integration of these types? So one by one we will discuss. So first we have to integrate this one. Then how to do this integration? So very simple. What you will do, whenever this type of term will come, then what you will do? Root over a tan square x plus b. Here we are doing what? Root over a tan square x plus b whole square we are doing. Okay, that means if you are doing whole square, so we have to divide here what? Root over a tan square x plus b into dx. Okay, so these two are getting cancelled, then remaining is what? This one only. Okay, so and after that what you will do? Integration of this one is what? Whole square, so square root is gone, and this tan square you have to convert in terms of secant square x. So here what will come? A tan square x we can add what? Secant square x minus 1 plus b divided by root over a tan square x plus b into dx. This will come. Okay, so this one we can add what? Integration of a secant square x divided by root over a tan square x plus b separate, and here what is that? A minus 1 is what? Minus a plus b. So this one plus b minus a divided by root over a tan square x plus b into dx, and here also dx. This one we are writing. This one integration we can do directly. If you take tan x as t, then numerator is what? Secant square x dx is what? Dt. Okay, here if I take tan x as t, then secant square x dx will become dt. So this will convert in terms of what? A dt divided by root over a t square plus b, and here we can apply direct formula. But how to integrate this one? Okay, so here what you will do, whenever we have to do integration of this one, then convert in terms of sine and cos. So what will come? This will come what? Plus integration of b minus a divided by root over tan x we can add sin x by cos x. So this will come out a sin square x divided by cos square x plus b into dx. Okay, suppose this one I am taking I2. Okay, this one we can do integration. Okay, this one integration I will discuss. So here I2 equal to what you can write? Integration of, if I take LCM here, so what will come here? B minus a root over cos square x, that means numerator will come at cos x dx divided by root over, this will come at a sin square x plus b cos square x. Okay, so numerator is what? Cos x. That means in denominator everything we have to convert in terms of sin x. So this cos x we have to convert in terms of sin x. So what will come here? I2 equal to integration of b minus a cos x dx divided by root over a sin square x plus b cos square x we can write 1 minus sin square x. Now here if I take sin x as t, then cos x dx will be what? Dt. So this integration will become what? I2 equal to integration of b minus a cos x dx we can write dt divided by root over a t square plus b minus bt square. So this will come out I2 equal to integration of b minus a dt divided by root over here a t square minus bt square. So this will come out a minus b t square plus b, and this also we can do integration directly by using formula. Like that we have to integrate this one. Next is how to integrate this one. Okay, so this integration we can convert in terms of this one. Very simple is that. This is what? A tan square x would be. So here secant square x we can convert in terms of tan. So this is what? Integration of root over a tan square x plus b secant square x we can write 1 plus tan square x plus c dx. So this is called integration of root over a tan square x plus b tan square x plus c into dx. This will come. So this we can write integration of root over a tan square x plus b tan square x. We can write a plus b tan square x and plus b plus c into dx. So this one we can write integration of root over a plus b. We can write what? Suppose we can write this one as t tan square x plus b plus c. We can write what? E dx. That means this integration we are converting in terms of this one, and we know how to integrate this one. Okay, same way we have to do this one also. Similarly, root over a secant square x plus b also we can convert in terms of this one. So here also we have to write secant square x what? 1 plus tan square x. Okay, and if you want directly also we can do. Here also what you can do, this one what you can do, integration of this one we can write a secant square x plus b divided by root over a secant square x plus b dx. So here what you can do, integration of a secant square x divided by root over a, this secant square x we can add what? 1 plus tan square x plus b into dx plus b integration of 1 divided by root over a secant square x plus b into dx. Now here tan x, if you take t, then numerator will become dt. So like that we can integrate this one. Then how to integrate this one? So to integrate this one, what we will do? We will convert in terms of sine and cos. So here what comes, b integration of 1 divided by root over a secant x what? 1 by cos x. So this will come a divided by cos square x plus b into dx. Okay, this one integration how to do? B is outside, integration of, if I take LCM cos square x, so what will come? Cos x dx divided by root over a plus b cos square x. If cos x dx is there, that means this one we have to convert in terms of sin x. So this will come out b integration of cos x dx divided by root over a plus b 1 minus sin square x. Now here sin x if you take t, then cos x dx will be dt. Okay, so sin x if I take t, then cos x dx will be dt. So this integration will become b integration of dt divided by root over a plus b minus b t square, and this integration we can do directly. So like that we have to integrate this one. Okay, now we will discuss examples.